decimals in weight. We are weighing the things now. So in that weight, how we are using decimal, that we will learn. See here, 1000 grams makes 1 kg. In 1 kg, 1000 grams are there. So 1 gram is equal to how many kg? What we have to do? We have to divide 1 kg by 1000 because we want to find out 1 gram is equal to how many kg. So divide 1 kg by 1000. That is 1 upon 1000. Now how to write 1 upon 1000 in decimal using decimal point? See here, whole part nothing is there, so that 0. Put decimal. Okay. Then down 3 zeros are there. So numerator here also 3 digits should be there, correct? But here only 1 digit is there at numerator. Then what to do? Then before 1 write 2 0. Now see. Does it make 3 digits? Yes. So 1 upon 1000 kg means 0.001 kg. Understood? Next, so how we can write 10 gram in kg? So what we have to do? Divide 10 by 1000. That is 0.01. You can write this 0 if you are not writing there also okay. 0.010 kg. Or you can write only 0.01. Okay, no problem. Now 100 gram is equal to how many kg? Again what you have to do? Divide 100 by 1000. Correct? Now whole part nothing is there, so 0. Here already how many digits are there? See 1, 2, 3. So no need to write 0 before 1. So only write 100 kg. 100 gram is equal to 0.100 kg or only 0. You can write in this way also 0.1 kg. Okay. Next, 15 gram. How to write 15 grams here? Divide 15 by 1000. So here 2 digits are only there. Whole part nothing is there. So 0 point. Then as we want 3 digits here, but here only 2 digits are there. So before 15 write 0. Correct? So 0.015 kg. Next, 999 gram. That is divide 999 by 1000 is equal to 0. Now here 3 zeros, already 3 digits are there at the numerator. So after whole part, after 0, decimal and direct write 999. That means kg. Okay. Now kilograms and grams can be written together in decimal form. Okay. We can write this in decimal form. How? See here, I have shown you 7 kg. So this before decimal point. Now 5 gram. 5 gram is equal to how many kg? So what you will do? 5 gram is equal to 5 upon 1000. That is whole part nothing is there, so 0 point. And now see here 3 digits we want, but here only 1 is there, so 005. Correct? Now see here at the whole part 7 is there, so that I have written 7 point. Now instead of 5, what to write? 005 gram. Okay, 5 gram means, sorry, not gram, kg. 7 kg, 5 gram means 7.005 kg. In this way. Now 12 kg, 700 gram. This how to write? 12 kg means 12.700. Directly we can write 12 kg, 700 gram means 12.700 kg. Now you will say, teacher, how you have written 700 here and why not here? Because see, 5 gram converted into kilogram. Convert into kilogram. See here, how to convert? Divide it by 1000. Okay. So that is 0.005 kg. Now 700 gram converted into kilogram. So here see whole part nothing is there, so 0 point and 7 down also 3 zeros. Numerator 3 digits are there, so no need to take any zero direct. So 700 gram means 0.700 kg become. And at the whole part which number is here? 12 kg. So 12.700 kg in this way. Okay. We'll solve practice 6.13. In that question number 1, express each of the following in decimals. Okay. Now they have given in kg and grams and we have to write it in the form of decimal. See, 19 kg is 640 grams. So how to write? 19.640 kg. Okay, this many kg. Then 87 kg and 450 grams. That is 87.450 kg, kilograms. Kg means kilograms. Abbreviation for kilogram is kg and gram means only g. Next, 46 kg 545. That is 46.545 kg. 47 kg is 70 gram. Only 70 gram. So how to write that? 47 point. Now here see, gram when we are writing this decimal part, no? That time 3 digits should be there. That keep in mind, please student. Why 3 digits? Because we are dividing it by 1000. Correct? So 1000 grams. So here only 70 is given. So 70. How to convert it into grams? Divided by 1000. Got it? So it will be 0.7. Sorry. Now see, whole part nothing is there, so 0. And here only 2 digits are there. So we are writing 0 before these digits. So that is 0.070. Or you can write only 0.07. After this digit, if you are not writing 0, then okay, no problem. So here how to write 47.07. 0 if you are writing, no problem. This. Okay, or if you are writing then also no problem, not writing then also. Next, 561.285. When 3 digits are here in the gram part now, directly we can write after decimal, no problem. 285 kg. Now here also see 3 digits are there in this gram part. So 784 point. What will be there in the decimal part? 742, and we have that many kg. Okay. Next, question number 2. Express each of the following in kg and gram. Now, how this kg and gram we converted into this in decimal? But here decimal is given and we have to write in this form. Okay. See here 3.44. That means 3 whole part means 3 kg and 44 after decimal 44. So I can write 440 grams. Here how many grams? Not 44 grams. Immediately after decimal see 44 is there. If 044 is there, then 44 grams. But after decimal 44 written, that means 440 grams it is. Okay. Next, this also see 14 kg. Immediately after decimal 96 is there. So that means 960 grams. That you have to see. This is important. 44, 3.44 they have given. That means exactly after decimal 44 it is written. That we can increase 1 0 in the decimal part. Okay. So it is not 44 gram, it is 440 grams. And this is 960 grams. Now here see 29 kg and after decimal 78 no, is not written, 0 is written. That means it is not 780 kg, it is only 78 grams. Sorry. Okay, 29 grams. 96. Why? Because after decimal exact that number has started, and here see after decimal 0 is there. That means only how many grams are there? 78 grams, not 780. Here see 90 kg and 0.8. 0.8 means what? 800 grams. Because after this digit we are not giving preference to that zeros here to write, okay? But while writing in this form, it is important to write. If you are writing only 8 grams here, it will become 8 grams, but actually it is not 8 grams, it is 800 grams, okay? Now here see, 231 kg. And how many grams will be there? See, after decimal 24 is there, that means 240 grams are there. 240 grams. Now 345 kg. This whole part is nothing but kg. And after the decimal part is gram. Here see 974 grams. When we are writing in grams now, at least 3 digits should be, means it should be there. Now see after decimal, only 2 digits are there. So that we can write 0. But here see, here they have already given 0. That means here 3 digits are there. So only 78 grams are there. Here after decimal only single digit is there. That means 800 grams are there, because next 2 zeros they have not written. Okay, but it is 800 grams. Now we will learn use of decimals in capacity. So what for we are using capacity? We are mostly to measure the liquids we are using. Okay, see here 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. Correct? 1000 milliliter makes 1 liter. So 1 milliliter. Now milliliter, the abbreviation short form of milliliter is ml. Okay, in short form milliliter is written as ml and liter is written as L. So 1 ml is equal to how many liters? So what we have to do? Divide 1 by 1000 liter, that is L. And how to write in decimal form? Whole part nothing is there, correct? Mixed fraction going up. Suppose 2 and 3 upon 10. So this is whole part and this is fraction. Okay. So here whole part is nothing is there. So 0 point. Now 1 divided by 1000. How to? What is the easiest way I said? If 3 digits are there, numerator also 3 digits should be there. But here only 1 digit is there. So we can make it 3. How? By writing 2 zeros before 1. Okay, that is 0, 0, 1 liter. So 1 milliliter is equal to 0.001 liter. Now similarly 2 ml, 2 milliliter is equal to how many liter then? Easy. 0. See, what you have to do? Divide 2 by 1000. Okay, that means whole part nothing is there. So 0 point and 2 divided by 1000 is 0.002 liter. Follow? Now 45 ml. How to write 45 divided by 1000 is equal to, here also whole part nothing is there, so 0 point. Here 2 digits are already there, then only 1 digit we want. So only 1 0 you write before 45, that is 0.045 liters. Okay. In this way we have to convert. 45 ml means 0.045 liters. Now 10 ml. 10 ml, that is 10 divided by 1000 is equal to, whole part nothing is there, so 0 point. Now 10, already 2 digits are there, we want 3. So before 10 write 1 0, that is 0.10 liter, or this I can write 0.01 liter. In this way also. After this digit writing 0, if you are not writing 0 then okay. But before this digit, if zeros are there, we have to compulsory mention it. Okay. Next, 300 ml means 300 divided by 1000. So again whole part, nothing is there, so 0. Now see, down 3 zeros and up also 3 digits are there. So directly we can write 0.300 liter. Or this is also written as 0.3 liter. See ya, 0.3. After 3 2 zeros are there. If you will not mention, okay, but it doesn't make sense that 0.3 liter means this is 3 milliliter. No, it is not 3 milliliter. It is 300 milliliter. Got it? See, it is 300 milliliter. 0 liter and 300 milliliter. But in decimal point, you can write this 0.3. And only if 3 milliliter you want to show, then how you will show? Only 3 milliliter, 0.003 in that way. Okay? Then liters and milliliters can be written together in decimal form. See here, 1 liter 425 milliliter. So how to write it? 3 digits are there, no? Yes, 425 liter in this way. Then 6 liter 5. Now only 5 milliliter is there. So how to show it? See here, 6 whole part liter is there. So 6 point. Only 5 milliliter you will have to show, that is 005 in this way. Okay? Because in decimal part, in milliliters 3 digits are compulsory. Here only 5 ml we want to show, only 1 digit we want to show. That is, before that write 2 zeros. Next, 4 liter 75 milliliter. So how to write that? 4.75. So in decimal part 3 digits are compulsory. So 0.75 liters it is. Okay? Only 75 means 4.075. Next, 8 liter 900 milliliter. That is 900. So you can write 900 liter, or this you can write 8.9 liter. In this way also you can write. 0.9 means 900. But if you want to show only 9, then how will you show? 0.009 in this way. Okay? Now let us solve quick check questions from textbook. See here, 12 rupees 50 paise can be written in decimal form. In decimal form, how to write 12 rupees and 50 paise? Rupees 12.5 50. Okay? Rupees 12.50. Now, dash kilometer and dash meter can be written in decimal form as 6.126. So in this, which are the kilometer? Before decimal part, it is kilometer and this many meters. That is 6 kilometer and 126 meter. Next, 1 gram is equal to how many kilogram? So I have shown you, divide it by 1000 and we have to write in decimal. So 0.001 kg. Okay. Next, 5 liters and 26 milliliters can be written as in decimal form. How to write? 5 whole part point only 26. That is before that write 0 and 26 milliliters. Okay. 26 milliliters means how to write 0 to 6 and in decimal form 5.026 liters. We'll solve practice 6.14. That is express, first one, express each of the following decimals. Okay. Now see, 2 liter 5 milliliter, only 5 milliliter is there. So how to show 5 ml means how many liter? 5 upon 1000. That is 0.005 liter. Correct? So how to write this? 2.005. 2.005 liters. Now 9 liter 3 milliliter. This also 9 point only 3 we want to show, that is 003 liters. Now here 30 liters 29 milliliter. Now 29 milliliter how we will show? So 29 divided by 1000, that is 0 point, and here see, here 3 digits, here 2 digits, and we want 3, so before 29 write 0. So here how to write? 30.29, instead of we have to write 0 to 9 liters. Okay. Next 4 liter 565. Here already 3 digits are there. So how to write? 4.565 liters. Next 5 point, already 3 digits are there, so directly we can write 575 liters. Now here 56 liter 89, only 2 digits, so how to write? In this way. So that is 56.089 liters. Okay. In decimal part, while writing liters, we are there 3 digits should be there. So if only 2 digits are there, then you will have to write 0 before. Okay. Now next here, see question number 2. Write each of the following in liters and milliliters. So easy. Before decimal part it is liters, that is 2 liter, and only 3 milliliter is there. Only 3. So how to write that? This is not only 3. 2.3 means here I can write 2 zeros also front side. That means it is not only 3 milliliter, it is 300 milliliter. Followed? Now see 4.5, that is 4 liter, and after 5 I can write 2 zeros. So 0.5 means how many? 500 milliliters. Okay. Now 8.65, that is 8 liter, and after 65 I write 0, that is 650 milliliter. Here 25 liter and 3 digits are there, so directly write 624 milliliters. Here also 57 liters and 436 milliliters. Here